Hello everyone, we are the Group 1 and today we will be presenting to you about the rare carbohydrate diseases. So before we start, I'm Micaela Buera from Group 1 and now I'll be introducing to you what is galactokinase deficiency. So first, let's define what is galactokinase. This enzyme, which enables the body to process a simple sugar called galactose, which is present in small amounts in many foods. Galactokinase deficiency. This disease is also known as galactosemia type 2 or simply GALK deficiency. This is an inherited disorder that impairs the body's ability to process and produce energy from the simple sugar we call galactose. Galactose is present in many foods, including all dairy products, many baby formulas, and some fruits and vegetables. In 1965, galactokinase deficiency was first identified in a patient who presented with cataracts and galactosuria that developed upon drinking milk. The concurrence of cataracts and galactosuria in a single individual suggested the possibility of a new type of galactosemia. So, to further understand the nature and existence of this disease, it is important to learn the Lalois pathway in understanding galactose metabolism defects. In this case, a simple understanding about galactokinase deficiency is that there's a decrease of galactokinase enzyme and we can proceed to production of galactose 1-phosphate product. So there's a decrease as well, and there's that increase of galactitol product.
Okay, so now let's talk about the signs and symptoms of galactokinase deficiency. So the signs and symptoms or the clinical findings, it may be manifested by the galactosemia or galactose found in the blood or in galactosuria, which is galactose found in the urine. This is because there's an accumulation of galactose due to the absence of galactokinase. And there's also an abnormal eye tracking, which is related to the accumulation of galactitol and lack of social smile. And this is also an autosomal recessive disease, meaning that it is inheriting mutated abnormal copies of genes from the carrier parents passed to the infant. And for the last one, which is the cataract formations or having cloudy eyes, which is also related to the accumulation of galactitol in the lens of the eyes. So these symptoms appear shortly after birth or later in childhood. And for the diagnosis of this disease, it is done through the newborn screening with the use of small amount of blood which is collected from the baby's heel. So during the screening, a special machine measures how much of galactose sugar is in the baby's blood. And take note that babies with high levels of galactose might have galactokinase deficiency. And for the last one, which is the treatment, for the treatment, avoidance of foods containing high in lactose and galactose is encouraged. These may include milk and vegetables, among others, as galactose can also be taken from other food sources. And of course, there must be an avoidance of dairy products and special foods and formulas. And intake of vitamin supplements like calcium, vitamin K, and vitamin D are to be initiated. And as this disease is rare, an ongoing research and studies continue in dealing with this disease, and take note that this is also the milder types among galactosemia diseases. So this is the reference of our report, which is from the NCBI. Okay, Okay, so that's the end of our reporting about galactokinase deficiency. Thank you for watching.